If you're using several devices or apps that track the same data, like step counts, you might be curious how that data compares. You can easily do such comparisons with Xenobase. First, import each data source into Xenobase if you haven't done so already. Next, create a view and add any buckets with data you want to compare. We'll add daily step count data from my BodyMedia Fit and step count data from my Fitbit. You can also get step count data from Jawbone, Misfit, Ythings, or from the Moves app. We'll update the timeline widget to show the average daily step count. Next, we'll filter on data whose source is BodyMedia and apply that filter to the dashboard. Then we go into compare mode and replace the BodyMedia constraint with Fitbit. Now we can see that my BodyMedia Fit records about 800 steps less each day on average. The 95% confidence interval spans from about 250 steps less to over 1300 steps less. If you want to correlate the two data sets instead, drop the two constraints and create a scatter plot. Have the x-axis show the sum of steps from the Fitbit and the y-axis show the sum of steps from the BodyMedia. Pay attention to the filter expression for each data set. Set the interval to day and add a linear regression line. As expected, there is a strong correlation between the Fitbit and the BodyMedia step counts. I'm pretty sure data points under 2500 are due to incomplete data. To filter those data points, we add a histogram widget, select the count field, and increments of 2500. Then we select values greater than 2500. The correlation is now even stronger. The scatter plot also works in the compare mode, so we could compare the strength of the correlation on weekdays and weekends, summer and winter, etc. We'll leave that as an exercise. So if you find anything interesting in your own data or need any help, get in touch and we'll be glad to help.